Hi, so by the end of this video, I'll tell you 4 of the biggest lies about real estate that could cost you or could be costing you. These are lies that could be holding you back from finding your dream home, your dream land, your dream apartment, or taking that big step to invest in real estate. And in this video, we'll talk about 4 of them. So do all to stay through to the end of the video. The first lie has to do with the lie that you need a lot of money to start in real estate. Now, contrary to popular belief, you do not need to be a millionaire to get started in real estate. This is one big misconception that I have seen trap a number of people into thinking that they can never own any form of real estate. Question now is, what then are some of the low forms of low budget means to get started in real estate? I like this question. Well, you can look into real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are like investing in real estate with a group of people, but instead of you buying the actual properties yourself, you invest in companies that go and buy these properties and then they manage these properties. Okay. Another means has to do with real estate partnerships. So you could partner with your friends, you could partner with some trusted people who know the market to, invest in real estate. And this could mean partnering with family members, joining an investment group where each member, contributes some funds towards purchasing and managing properties. You could look into land banking. Land banking is one of the easiest entry points when it comes to real estate investments because you buy the land at a cheaper price and you sell at a higher price later. This could help you or propel you towards bigger real estate investment goals in the future. So those are some of the ways by which you can get started in real estate with little money. So do not let someone lie to you and tell you that you need a lot of money to get started in real estate. Of course you do need some money. Of course you do need some money, but you do not need millions to get started in real estate. If you're looking for some more creative means, do get in touch with me and I will show you how. Of course, ensure you have some budget in place, something to get started with. I'm not saying you need millions, but at least have something just so I'm able to guide you on the right path. Now, the second biggest lie you must have heard, or maybe you haven't heard, is that real estate is a risk-free investment. Real estate is not without risk. Life in itself is a risk. So how can you expect an investment to not have risk? Real estate markets can experience ups and downs, just like every other investment, just like you would find in the stock market. Anything can happen in a location. This can affect the value of properties or the demand for properties in that particular location. Okay, so there's a risk of investing in a wrong location at a wrong time, buying at the wrong price, investing in the wrong type of properties, mismanaging your investments, real estate investment scams. There's even the risk of missing investment opportunities because you probably didn't have the eye or the understanding to grab these investment opportunities when they were right in front of you. So these are all forms of risk in real estate. So do not let someone tell you that real estate hasn't got risk. Just like you would find in the stock market, just like you would find in crypto, real estate also has its own set of risk, except that the risk in real estate are medium. They are not as high as you would find in the stock market. Now, the third lie you often hear is that real estate is a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for a means to make money quickly, then real estate is not for you. Let's even break it down further. Okay, I have seen people make analysis on the basis of how much they invested into, for instance, an apartment for Airbnb purposes, and then they compare the monthly return they get into this to the money they had to invest into buying the apartments, and they get discouraged in the long run. Or people build apartments for rentals and then they're looking at the yearly or the quarterly or monthly returns you're getting, and then they're discouraged. Real estate wouldn't give you money like crypto would. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, the real estate isn't for you. Okay, recognize that real estate success is built through steady, consistent effort over time. The fourth lie I often hear has to do with all you need is just some money to get started in real estate, and so far as you have the money, You do not really need real estate education. You know, money is the most important. If you have the money, you can buy the apartment, you can buy the land, you can buy the houses. That's all that matters. Now, as a real estate broker, I have seen a lot of people make risky decisions and missed opportunities due to this. If you don't start well and you get started with a huge amount of money, a room filled with money, and you do not know the basics so far as investments are concerned, trust me, you end up losing a lot. You lose in terms of not being able to recognize good deals, not being able to recognize opportunities as and when they present themselves, just so you're able to, you know, grab them, at the right time. And which is why you need to even work with trusted hands, have someone to guide you through the process, particularly when you're getting started. Of course, if you need assistance with all of this, I am always available to lend myself to help you navigate your way through so far as your investment decisions are concerned. If you're looking forward to buy a house, if you're looking forward to buy an apartment, a land, and you need some assistance in this regard, do get in touch with me. My details are in the description box, and I'll definitely help you find the best deals on the market. If this is the first time you're watching me, please, thank you so much for tuning in, and do subscribe to the channel just so you don't miss any of my videos. And for you, my returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my video, and do enjoy our other videos as well. Do like, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. My name is Efia Fosua. I am your trusted real estate investment advisor and broker based here in Accra, Ghana. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello, it's Efia Fosua here. You know what time it is? It is show time. Today I am taking you to a breeze, so come with me. This titled land measures 56 acres and it's at Ibrikitasi, a town in the Kiapim South District of Ghana. Ibrikitasi is just some 52 minutes drive away from central Accra, and it shares borders with Beduase, which happens to be one of the main entry points if you're moving from Accra to Kiapim. Let me show you a map of Ibrikitasi. So that's Ibrikitasi. You can Google just so you can have a better perspective. This land, as I mentioned, measures a whopping 56 acres. It's a vast land. Let me show you how serene and peaceful this enclave is. This is breathtaking. Ibri is renowned for its lush greenery, cool climate, stunning views, making it very attractive for you. As you can find key resorts and other developments that contribute to Ibri's charming appeal. You can find the Hillberry, you can find the Beduase Valley Resort, amongst a host of other beautiful ones too. I have in my past videos mentioned that before you buy into a location, okay, you may want to look into what's in the area now. What does the future look like? If companies have seen the need to invest millions into a location, oh my goodness, that means one thing. It means that they see potential, there's money in there, so do your research and go tap into it as well. I will in subsequent videos do special videos on land banking, and I'll give you 5 locations to look into if you're looking forward to buy some land now, just so you can cash out later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel just so you don't miss that video when I do upload it. If you love money like I do, please, this is the channel for you. My name is Efia Fosua, and I am all about helping you make money and build generational wealth through real estate. And so this is a channel for you. Be sure to subscribe just so you don't miss that video.